Welcome to the Daily Review. This is Razak, Senior Trading Strategist here at CMTrading, and today is June 25th, 2025, and today is Wednesday morning. So looking at the highlights today, Microsoft making new all-time record highs. But first, looking at today's major economic events. So 4 p.m. South African time, we have from the United States, Fed Chairman Powell will be testifying in front of Congress second day as to his interest rate decision. Now, looking at the market, starting with the Forex symbols, the Japanese yen strengthens versus the dollar, and looking at the indices, the NASDAQ back on its all-time record highs right there, and it's funneled by those tech stocks. Now, looking at commodities, really unchanged day today. Now, looking at stocks, not just tech stocks that have been strong, but JP Morgan also plowing back to its highs, and Cisco pivoting to new highs for the year as well. Now, lastly, looking at cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin remaining unchanged after we got that nice comeback. So let's take a look at the markets and see what we can expect from today's trading. So here we go. First with the Japanese yen. Now, it is correcting itself at this stage, okay, as the markets are opening up from the European markets. At 144.65, we're jumping to 145.31. That's a decent jump as the dollar getting stronger versus the Japanese yen and reversing that course. Now, this is just happening. Great British pound, okay? The British pound is on its record highs, okay, for the year. Now, it may even break out higher here as this is looking very, very strong. So keep that on the radar as well. Now, looking at commodities, not doing much here, okay? Gold really unchanged day to day. Crude oil also just coming back to its normal levels, okay? Natural gas also just kind of pausing here at that 352, which is a supportish area for there as well. Now, looking at the U.S. markets, all right, let's take a look at the NASDAQ. Sitting on its all-time record highs at 22,195. That will make new record highs for the NASDAQ if the tech stocks do continue. Now, Microsoft is just plowing it higher and higher. 490. We were trading at 477 last week, and boom, once it goes, it goes. And sure enough, like if you look at a weekly chart, that's it. It's at all-time record highs and not really, retracing. I'm looking at Facebook, not as strong, but did gain. Okay, so you got to really pick them as they are coming to. Now, JP Morgan also on its highs here. Let's see if it lifts the Dow Jones. Dow Jones has not been lifted. It's not on its all-time record highs because it's not reflecting all those tech stocks that are listed on the NASDAQ and not on the Dow Jones. That's why the Dow Jones is not moving to record highs. So, but keep an eye on it, okay, because it may play catch up with some of the other stocks. Now, looking at Cisco, also a nice pivot up to yearly highs. I believe it's all-time record highs levels, okay, since we haven't been here since 2002. Yes, been trading that long, and yes, remember it that far. You can see that at 60-ish level, okay, so this would be all-time record highs for Cisco as well. Cisco is a very important company. It's a bellwether in the United States, and we mentioned it several times. Now, lastly, looking at NVIDIA, yes, back on its closer to its highs, but not making new record highs. That's okay. NVIDIA did, go over 1,000% over the past 2 years, so it's all within reason. Lastly, let's take a look at Bitcoin. It does look like it's shifting higher this morning, okay, as it's out of the gates and it's, gaining some momentum on the upside. Let's see if we get follow through throughout the day. This is Razak. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.